Welcome to Best Choice. The best Age of Sigmar Terrain is probably one of the most crucial elements to elevate your tabletop battles from mere skirmishes to epic sagas, transforming a flat surface into a dynamic and immersive battlefield where every strategically placed ruin, mystical forest, or imposing fortress can dictate the flow of combat and inspire awe in your opponents. Number 5. Warhammer Age of Sigmar Starter Set Warrior. Embark on an epic journey into the mortal realms with the Warhammer Age of Sigmar Starter Set Warrior. This set is your gateway to a world of fantasy battles and strategic conquest. Dive into the thrilling world of miniature wargaming. Assemble, paint, and battle with your own forces, bringing the conflict to life on your tabletop. Expand your collection with a vast array of highly detailed miniatures. Each piece offers a unique opportunity for customization and display. Discover the joy of painting your miniatures. Bring your warriors to life with vibrant colors and intricate details, making each model uniquely yours. This starter set provides everything you need to begin your adventure. Experience the rich lore and engaging gameplay that makes Age of Sigmar a beloved hobby. Take command of your forces and engage in epic battles. Strategize your moves and claim victory in the ever-expanding universe of Age of Sigmar. What we like. This is a fantastic entry point for new players. It provides miniatures, rules, and dice to get you started right away. If you are looking to jump into Age of Sigmar with minimal fuss and cost, this is the set for you. What people say. The detail on the terrain pieces is fantastic, really bringing the Age of Sigmar battlefield to life. Assembly was straightforward and the pieces fit together well, making for a sturdy and impressive looking set. The modular design allows for a lot of customization, letting you create unique battlefield layouts every time you play. Number 4. Citadel Blades of Khorne Skull Altar. Introducing the Skull Altar from the Blades of Khorne collection. This classic piece is a must-have for any Warhammer Age of Sigmar enthusiast. Embrace the might of Khorne with this imposing altar. It's designed to strike fear into the hearts of your enemies on the battlefield. This model brings a touch of classic Warhammer Age of Sigmar to your collection. Its detailed design captures the grim essence of the setting. Identify this iconic piece by its model number, 9912-020-1083. It's a distinguished addition to your display. Let this altar serve as a commanding centerpiece for your Blades of Khorne army. It adds a dramatic focal point to your tabletop battles. Elevate your Khorne-themed display with this skull altar. It's the perfect way to showcase your devotion to the Blood God. What we like. Embrace the Blood God with this imposing altar. Its detailed sculpt makes it a stunning centerpiece for any Khorne-themed battlefield. If you are a devoted follower of Khorne or want a dramatic focal point for your army, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The terrain pieces are highly detailed and add a lot of character to the battlefield. Assembly was straightforward, and the pieces fit together well without needing much glue. The modular design allows for a lot of customization, letting you create unique layouts for every game. Number 3. Warhammer Age of Sigmar, Timeworn Ruins. Step into the Age of Sigmar with the Dominion of Sigmar Timeworn Ruins. This themed scenery set brings your battles to life. Create a truly immersive battlefield with these detailed plastic multipart miniatures. The ruins add a new dimension to your games. Assembly is required to bring these ancient structures to your tabletop. Unleash your creativity as you build your war-torn landscape. Please note that tools, paints, and glue are not included with this set. You'll need these essential items to complete your scenic display. This high-quality scenery set is brought to you by Games Workshop. Expand your Age of Sigmar collection today. What we like. Create dynamic and varied battlefields with these ruins. The modular nature allows for endless configurations, ensuring no two games look the same. If you enjoy customizing your terrain and creating unique tactical environments, these time-worn ruins are perfect for your collection. What people say. The terrain pieces are highly detailed and add a lot of visual appeal to the tabletop. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and well-fitting parts. The modular design allows for a variety of configurations, making each game setup unique. Number 2. Realm of Battle-Blasted Hallowheart Scenery. Prepare for an epic encounter with the Realm of Battle-Blasted Hallowheart Scenery. This set brings a devastated battlefield to life, perfect for your Age of Sigmar campaigns. Immerse yourself in a world torn asunder. These ruins and terrain pieces create a visually stunning and tactically rich environment for your battles. Every piece tells a story of conflict and destruction. Use them to craft unique battle scenarios and bring your Age of Sigmar narratives to life. Experience unparalleled detail with these expertly crafted scenery elements. They are designed to enhance the atmosphere of any tabletop wargame. Elevate your gaming sessions with this essential scenery set. It provides the perfect backdrop for intense clashes and heroic moments. What we like. Expand your battlefield with this expansive scenery set. It offers a large, cohesive area that brings the Hallowheart to life on your tabletop. If you are looking to create a grand and immersive gaming experience with a consistent theme, this set is ideal. What people say. The detail on these pieces is incredible, really brings the battlefield to life. Assembly was surprisingly straightforward, even for a beginner like me. The instructions were clear and all the parts fit together perfectly. The scale is spot on for Age of Sigmar, making the terrain feel like a natural part of the game world. Number 1. Games Workshop Lumineth Realm Lord's Shrine Luminor. Discover the Shrine Luminor, a sacred site for the Lumineth Realm Lords. This centerpiece model brings the magic of Warhammer Age of Sigmar to your tabletop. Command attention with this stunning shrine. It's designed to be the focal point of your Lumineth Realm Lords army, showcasing their divine power. Marvel at the exquisite craftsmanship and grand scale of this model. Every detail is sculpted to perfection, capturing the essence of the Lumineth. Add this magnificent shrine to your collection and elevate your battles. It's more than just a model, it's a testament to your strategic prowess. Let this shrine stand as a beacon of hope for your forces. It embodies the resilience and spiritual might of the Lumineth Realm Lords. What we like. Add a touch of elven elegance to your army with this shrine. It serves as a beautiful thematic element for Lumineth Realm Lords armies. If you appreciate the aesthetic of the Lumineth and want a striking, thematic piece for your army's display or battlefield, this shrine is a must-have. What people say. The detail on the terrain pieces is incredible, really bringing the Age of Sigmar battlefields to life. Assembly was surprisingly straightforward, with clear instructions and well-fitting parts. It made setting up my gaming table a breeze. The modular design allows for a lot of customization, letting you create unique layouts for every game. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.